Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to make voices slower in ElevenLabs. So first things first, what you're going to do here is you have to go to ElevenLabs, create an account. So if you don't know how, just go to any web browser and then type ElevenLabs. Here you have to click this one. And then if you have your Google account, then you can create using your Google account, or it could be your Gmail and also your password. Now here you can select from any feature, for example, text to speech. You can add any word phrase, anything here, script. Everything is up to you. Now on the right side, you will see here different voices. You can also go to their library to select that specific voice that you want to use. Now it's easy to make a slower voice here in ElevenLabs. All you have to do is go to this part and then drag it, generate. You will hear the result. Now, if you are not satisfied with the result, you can now go back and then make it slower again by decreasing or just dragging this button below, and then you can regenerate again the speech, and then you can listen again. And then if you're not satisfied, then just move it slower or down. Everything is up to you. So basically that's it. No need to worry. You can hear, you can listen to the result anytime as long as you have your enough coins or enough balance here on your 11 lab. So just feel free to drag it up and down. You can also change the voice if you go to the library and then select a specific voice, and same thing, you can just basically increase or decrease or make the voice slower in ElevenLabs, and it's for free. So basically that's how easy it is to make voices slower in ElevenLabs. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.